Don't worry, you're not alone. Many players are facing this right after the latest patch. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to completely fix Critical Error 288 so your game stops crashing and you can finally play smoothly. Stick with me till the end because the last fix works for most players. Hasher Step 1. Verify game files 040 42130. Open the Battlestate Games Launcher. Go to Escape from Tarkov, Settings, Integrity Check. This scans and repairs corrupted game files that often cause Error 288 crashes. After the check, restart your PC before launching again. Step 2. Clear Tarkov cache 130-220. Close the game and launcher. You can see the code in our conversation history. Delete the cache and temp folders. Relaunch Tarkov. This forces the game to rebuild clean cache files. Step 3. Update GPU drivers 223 rear. Outdated or broken graphics drivers are a big cause of 288 errors. Update NVIDIA/AMD drivers manually from their official website. Restart and test the game. Step 4. Disable background overlays 340. Disable Discord overlay, GeForce overlay, Steam overlay, and even MSI Afterburner if you're using it. These overlays conflict with Tarkov and trigger crash loops. Step 5. Reinstall BattlEye 340/420. Go to your Tarkov install folder, find the BattlEye folder, run uninstall battleye.bat, then run install battleye.bat. Launch Tarkov again. Many players fix Critical Error 288 this way. Step 6. Run Tarkov as admin 420 to 5min. Right-click Tarkov Launcher, Properties, Compatibility. Check Run as administrator. Also tick Disable full-screen optimizations. This reduces crashes and improves stability. Step 7. Reinstall Tarkov Last Resort 5 to 540. If nothing works, uninstall Tarkov completely. Delete leftover folders and app data documents. Reinstall fresh copy of the game. Outro call to action. And that's it. After these steps, your Critical Error 288 crash in Escape from Tarkov should finally be fixed. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe for more EFT fixes and optimization guides.